he is the one who is responsible for the WOW plant, wealth out of waste. That particular plant which he is responsible, okay, he has been appointed as the coordinating person between the builder and the residents as well as the panchayat. He alone will coordinate because he has managed many such issues, and he said that without favoring the contractor or the builder, without leaning towards anybody, what is right thing he will do, and whatever is there that will be done.
So one more thing you want to know is that 300 सुमार फ्लॅटा आहा ती आजपासून त्यांची सोसायटी रजिस्टर ना कित्याक?
That is a separate issue.
No, but
that-
maintenance असता न्हू सर, maintenance असता न्हू.
That also came to the fore. Right now the contractor is maintaining it. Society ते करपाची आसा, and I said both of you agree, even though there are differences, and amicably sort out that issue as well.
No, because they have come in.
That is a separate issue.
No, they have come in front of the government.
Yeah.
गव्हर्मेंट फुडें येता आसतना गव्हर्मेंट कितें म्हणटा सोसायटी बा मेंटेन करपाक जाय, रजिस्ट्रेशन करूंक जाय. मागीर तें जावंक ना जाल्यार ते लोक कितें करतले मागीर?
आयक बाबा, सध्या उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम आहा न्ही, कॉन्टॅमिनेटेड वॉटर पिवपा जाता, यूज करपा जाता, जायना, तो सॉल्व कर म्हणून सांगला. आनी आफ्टर दॅट इज सॉल्व, both the members of that residential society and the contractor or the builder sit together and see that the society is registered and it is handed over to them.
टाइम टू टाइम हे केल्ले
It
न्हू.
is a time bound thing. हे प्रॉब्लेम त्यांचे 15 दिसां भितर तेणी सांगला सॉल्व करता म्हणून. आणि दुसरे प्रॉब्लेम ते मातशे टाइम लागता बिकॉज बोथ हॅव टू सीट फ्रॉम द सोसायटी अँड ऑल दॅट.
टाइम टू टाइम समज मेंटेन केले जाल्यार हे जावचें नाशिल्लें.
See, somehow, in spite of instructions from Panchayat, from me, all the departmental coordination that is necessary for such a issue was not coming. Today I brought it because I felt unless I deeply get involved, it will not be solved. So we have solved it today.
Who is at fault in all these things? Who is at a fault on all these things? Because society register ko na, maintenance na.
Reasons. I don't want to aggravate the problem which has been resolved very nicely by putting the blame on somebody. Okay, it has been resolved. I am happy at the end of it all.
मिस्टर मावेन कितें रिजॉल्व जालो इशू कसो सॉल्व जालो?
रिजॉल्व जालो म्हणल्यार थिंगा कॉन्टॅमिनेटेड वॉटर 15 दिसां उपरांत प्रश्नूच येवपा ना, इतलें हांव जाणा. सगळ्या
पासून आसा न्ही कंटॅमिनेशन.
ना आतां तेणी रिपोर्ट हाडले, 2 रिपोर्ट आसले, मातशे 2 रिपोर्ट कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी आसले. तेय तांकां फाल्यांच वचोन न्यू सॅम्पल काड दुसरे एजन्सी दी आनी हाड म्हूण गव्हर्मेंटाकूय सांगला, पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डानूय वचोन दुसरे सॅम्पल काडपाचे आनी मॅच करून सांगपाचे.
मागीर पत्ते contaminated जालें जाल्यार?
प्रॉब्लेम 2 दिसां भितर तेणी सॉल्व
पूण
करपाक.
पत्ते कंटॅमिनेटेड जालें जाल्यार रिपोर्ट डी म्हटल्यार जाता सर तो कंटॅमिनेटेड जालें जाल्यार पत्ते.
पत्ते कॉन्टॅमिनेटेड टूर रावता थिंगाय कॉन्टॅमिनेट जावपाक शकता.
मागीर ते तशें
ते मागीर सॉल्व करचे पडटा.
हां.
In these 15 days, any other arrangements have been done for it?
Huh?
In these 15 days, any other arrangement for drinking water?
Other arrangements they have done on their own, and there are some people who are helping them. They themselves said. So we said, please bear for 15 days. After 15 days, if there is a problem, you tell me.
But why it takes so much days to solve this issue?
एक महिना झाला
That's what I said. It is not one department which is responsible. There are so many departments. Water resources is there. Water supply department is there. Pollution control board is there. Executive engineer is there. Panchayat is there. So many. Sometimes coordination does not come. Even though we are a small state, it is an area of one colony. And I wanted to resolve it precisely because there have to be certain SOPs that have to be followed in future as well. दुसरे कडेन कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाले हेच आमकां करचे पडटले आनी शॉर्टेस्ट पॉसिबल टायमान ते सॉल्व जातले.
मिस्टर
So
मावेन
will builder be
एक
taken
महिना
to
झाला
task for not registering society?
एज अ आमदार स्थानिक आमदार म्हणून तुम्ही थंय कित्याक गेले ना एक ना जाणून घेवपाक चौकशी?
जाणून घेयला म्हूण ही स्टेज पावन आज सॉल्व केले.
ना आज
ते
एक
तुका
महिन्यान-
समजणी मेळना जाल्यार
ना,
हांव
एक महिन्यान काय
तेज्यावन
म्हणटा?
तेज्यावन माय जावन उत्तर दिवपाक शकना.
ना, एक महिन्यान आज
So will be undertaken to
जाणून
task for not registering society or not?
Oh, thanks.
No. See, it is up to
It's been almost a month.
it is up to the residents to resolve the problems by forming a society. Which also I told them, even though it is your personal problem in the colony, if you need my help, please, I am there to help you to form the society. That is a different issue. Builder also has said I will fully facilitate them after I got involved. So that is the thing.
एक महिन्या उपरांत
या आता एका कॉलनीन जाल्या अशें बाकीचे खुबशे
कितल्या?
residents आसतले. तुम्ही
म्हणून हांवें कितें
ताचेर-
म्हणला समजून घे. हांवें म्हणला this will help to establish SOPs and the delays will not be there. As some people they want to harp on one point only, एक महिनो अशें न्हू. प्रॉब्लेम 2 महिने लागपाक शकता. पूण therefore असले जावपा नाका म्हूण आम्ही दुसऱ्या भाशेन बरे भाशेन सॉल्व केला न्ही.
तुम्ही रिझॉल्व केलें बरें आसा, तुम्ही रिझॉल्व केलें बरें आहा, पण एट द एंड ऑफ द डे सोसायटी केली म्हणटकूच मेंटेनन्स आसता, मेंटेनन्स केलेलें आनी हें जालेलें जाल्यार हें जातलें आसलेलें. सो समवेर समथींग हॅज गॉन रॉंग न्हू सर.
Baba, I answered this earlier. I don't want to pinpoint blame on anyone. It will not help to resolve the problem. It will create more differences between them, which I don't want.
तर बिल्डराक एस्केप दिता तुम्ही ह्या थंयच्यान सारकें नवीन बाब बिल्डराक एस्केप दिता काय म्हणटा.
हांव तुका एस्केप दिता मरे, तुजो आन्सर करनासतना तुका एस्केप दिता हांव. कित्याक तूं सद्दां असो आसता.
ओके ओके